Hello friends, so today my section is related to show alert in the power ups. I will discuss, means I will show you how to create an alert in power ups. So before that I will just show you my blogs which I have already published it. So if you see it here, so I have explained clearly what is power ups and how to define all these things. Okay, just go through one by one. So first of all here, what is alert? So as we know in .NET and SharePoint everywhere we can create a custom alert to show to the user to like a message, like it is a error message or it is a success message or it is like a warning message, whatever the alert we have uh, we want, so we can show to the user. So here in power ups also we can do the same things. So I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, types of alert. There are four types of alerts are there. One is not like it is a notification type. So there is a notification type dot error, notification type of information, and one is success, one is warning. In error we have to show the error message. In information we have to show the information, like whatever the information you want to show in your apps in the front. And next one is success and warning. So I'll show you how to do it, how to implement it. This is my power ups. Here in screen I have created 4 buttons. So I will show you how to do it. This is a very simple thing. Here suppose notify success. Here just click on the notify and just here is the success. Here you have to provide your message whatever you want to show, and then type what are the type of this message. You have to type the notification type dot success. You have to do the same for notification error also. This is notify, then whatever the error you want to show it here, and notification type dot error. So same thing for notification information. You have to provide the notification information here, notification type dot information. Here also notification dot warning. Here you can also notification, you have to provide the message and you have to provide the as a warning type is warning. Also you can do one more thing here. If you go to the syntax part, so here the logic is notify message notification type dot timeout. Then what is the timeout? Timeout means suppose like I have a message here and I want to show a success message. Here also if you see here, you can also provide the uh, timeout. Suppose it's 2000. Means it will automatically disable this message after thousands of seconds. So if I run this app, suppose here I am notified with a warning. If you see here, the notification warning message is visible over here. If you click on notify information, then the information is coming here. If you click on notify.error, then the failed status is coming here. Is the type of warning. In Bootstrap also use it, this is the type of this. In this color you can see all the alert. Here in notify success, in success message is coming here. If you here why it's automatically closed, because I set the timeout, that's why it's automatically disabled. In success, in error message I am not set any timer or anything, so that it will keep constancy. This is called notification type. You can go through the Microsoft article to know more about it, but still I have also published the article here in enjoysharepoint.com. You can also go through it one by one, step by step, and you can get to know all these things. What is actually notification or alert in Microsoft Power Apps. Yeah, that is it's a small things in the Power Apps. Okay, thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.